Mwanjito mulgeria wegitase nigen Soko TV nigo cheragire Chinsa Isano na Ibere chia bonu mugaso chinga kitwa kwaliganiria Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere karansoike erietariane Diana Ndemo. Muswati Mora John hoinande okorigia obo women repase county ya Nairobi niga akozimochereirie kose amochirie aba MC abaguchikurwa asorongo rwaguse erigocha asomo chomano Nairobi enyomba yoburai rikumira no murai bensi ya Kenya asira tebire buna okumira no ko tikoli okuya kole nenchireyemo yaba MC yukwenyorera nabo gatari nchireyemo yuchikwenekia amagendro ase county ya Kisi nabege county ya Nyamira. Mwanjito mulgeria litko aikerana gaige mambia lero asomoro birito ensoko bwakire tikaturategera maseyemo tunyato kuigwa chinkwana chiae Mora John.
Ago chikoligi state house kagara kero monto na saineri chibes chiae umugavana nabwate chibes chiae asaineri chikuru ase serikali chitakero kora magendero MCA nebekere na chibes chiae chitakero kora magendero ababunge mbabwate chibes chiae echine chinda chao bakwera state house gento ndanyara tebo murai bwense ne campaign yale ine ncherenda ya moyo gukora campaign ya kubarangeria ali gochikobatuma gaki ground kyane kyaberi bobe muirane asichi ward chain asichi constituency chain asichi county chain munyare ko ngakereded lakini o mane mbolinga gochimaega chinga kichamaega twarolera aba governor banyarira okora chigasi bira kogenda imeya state house kuchikoligi chibes chinga okororo kentonge yeke ngao umurai bwensa gochigoteya abantu twacholire kubarangeli gochi state house kentonge yeke ngao gochikobateya tabatebete kuri 2022 iganta getabantu abuge ntona korengera likwane kero mondabera se ward ya se constituency ya se county ya akorera abakenya gasi kulingana bana bamucholete chibes chiri baloketire ne serikali chisaine bakora magendera digo magendera mangauta ya bawo chigosaba korwa somurai bense abanga into abanenchi nintu toko kora amagoso in fact abara ya bagana ndakero kende nawango teba they are not to blame into to wecholera abantababe mento sako gende chiro gole yangembe digoto so complain kero nyebegete uke nyomba to konyebeka ego bano kertoko ende chiro tiatogole yange gochuto isane eliora nyar kobeka otara sabantu kero kugole yange gochugosinyana nawo munyano gosinyo soka sabantu yori no bora nyar ko bago gochandika iga baraya batogo chora kero to chora baraya babe lazima obugima buchiko bobe gochimato so totarachi go blame abaraya ba wekatwe bolinga are we making the right decisions intubuna bakenya nyuma totarachi go blame abaraya ba igo bana bakenya twarko babangain at least asenga keya muturate mutura chora barai baratokonye
Manjito mulgeria oino Muswati Mora John kurwase county ya Nyamira chingaki amochirie aba MC kurwa orogongo rwaguse abaguchigo cha asomo cyo Nairobi erikwene kyabona ngutwara bali inkwana masemo no murai wense ya Kenya asenyomba yoburai kogendera kutuma ekerengero kyago tunya tukumanyanga naralialio obwate kurwa asokumera no kukumura ibense ya Kenya na BMC kurwa ase county ya Kisi na boigo county ya Nyamira kuneno manchito mulgedia togosuka mutweni go murendi bo muri ibense ya Kenya Faruku Kibeti amochirie abarundi achipigipige asaba boliriye kwene kyabuna kubwati abaliri chiko unenchire yemwe guchkwene kyabuna ngo cyabare go Syria imebasukana ye pari yegenderete kwene kigwa imense ya Kenya.
Heshima na kazi yenu, kazi ambaye inawapatia nafasi kulisha familia, kujiendesha, kujikarimu. Kazi mnayofanya ni sawa na ya Kawaya. Tofauti ni kwamba anaenda bunge, wewe pia unaenda kazini. Nyinyi mko na jukumu mingi, mnapepa watoto wanaenda shule, mnapepa watu wazima. Mimi nataka mjihatarishe sana na maneno ya kukunywa pombe alafu unaendesha pikipiki. Kwa sababu ukiumia kesha utaendesha, utapatiwa jina nyingine. Hiyo jina msikubali.
Sisi wakati ambao tunawaletea vitu vya empowerment wanasema tunakosea. Sisi tunataka wakija hapa muwaulize kabla waanze mazungumzo, muambie walete kile ambacho wamewaletea. Wacheni kukula tu mdomo tupu. Ni kweli si kweli?
Nabaigo omuvugavana we county ya Tharaka Nithi Muthoni Njoki nigo abamochirie abanyagitari ase county yo asatebire buna tibari gukora emirimo yabo asenchire yabene kurende nigo bari asense media yobukurumi kinga kyababoriri kweneke buna guche bari gwikirania emirobiri yabo asenchira yabene.
Now we are here today because of attending to health matters of our people. This is our level 5 referral hospital in Tharaka Nithi, the highest level of referral in the county. It has come to our notice that of late, in the last few months, our people in Tharaka Nithi, I'm talking about patients, have been going through hardship that is instigated by our mismanagement of HR issues. That personnel who are supposed to take care of our patients, and I'm talking about personnel from all levels, some of them, not all of them. We have some very good ones and we have some who are participating in this very unprofessional, very uncouth behavior and treatment to our patients. We have in all the cadres, including nurses, clinical officers, MOs, or what we call medical officers, and the ones we call specialists. Those who are using our hospital as a platform to poach patients to their private clinics. These patients come to our hospitals because they believe in the public hospitals because of the investment governments have put in ensuring that we have good labs to make sure that we diagnose the disease. We have good theaters. I have gone around and seen state-of-the-art theaters. In fact, Chuka Hospital has 3 theaters, all of them state-of-the-art, modern, latest technology. The X-rays and ultrasound, all of them are digital and new. We have the latest, the most sophisticated CT scan here in the hospital, courtesy of the new system that we have in collaboration with the national government for having placement model of the CT scan and other equipment. The CT scan we have in Chuka Hospital is the one that takes a resolution that has got 128 slices, meaning it has very good exposure. It is the
Nabaigo waziri o cooperatives nabaigo obonchoriria obokoboke nigatebire buna eserikali nebirwate emerubiri gochikwene buna gobwatukere obokonyi wokwagacha obonchoriria oboke imiense ya Kenya.
We are promoting cashless economy to be efficient, na pia tunashirikiana na county government kwa sababu mambo ya markets ni county government. So county government ishirikiane na national government kujenga masoko ya kisasa, mpaka tuone wewe una mahali pazuri pa wewe kuweza kuweka bidhaa zako na watu kuja hapo na kununua. Mwezi wa Novemba tutakuwa hapa kule Nairobi. Tutaleta inji zote za East Africa. East Africa tuna inji 8 ambazo ziko katika East African Community. Watakusanyika kule Nairobi kwa mambo ya market access. Wale ambao hata watu watatoka hapa. Huyu gavana na sisi sponsor wale ambao tunaona wana bidhaa ambazo zinaweza kuuzwa.
Naboigo chiskuru nigo chigendete kubika emirio birio yokwenekia bunangu chachire gukinia ebirengo by'umurubirio OCBE as chiskuru chiria cyabanyene batebire buna nigo gwikira boninga batabwatie nibo erabasire iri kwenekia buna umurubirio omuya OCBE no nyare ko kolia bya as chiskuru au mensi ya Kenya.
Kinuthia is the director of a school in Ruiru, a school called Precious Cornerstone. The symposium is going to bring about, because we'll be here for quite a number of days, is that I know that it's going to give us a clear path of the transition process to senior school. It will also enable parents, it will also enable teachers to give guidance to these young ones so that as they transit to senior school, they can transit to schools that they chose.
For a long time as a country, we hadn't aligned with the needs of the 21st century, and especially with the type of curriculum that we were undertaking. We were more of knowledge-based as opposed to proficiency-based. The world is not interested in what you know, but the world is more interested in what you're able to do with what you know.
Let me say that the national exam that grade 9 are expecting to do, popularly known as KIJSEA, this is a competency-based assessment. So it is an assessment that is going to assess the process, not the answer. So you realize that most of the answers, especially the multiple choice questions, are actually correct. And therefore, if the learner does not understand the process, then there's no way that learner is going to get the right.
Na wikira womanchi tumurigeria bwita sengen Soko TV no tugokorera Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchira yo bwenge korende abasaki bagitokurwa se county ya Kisii county ya Mira na wika omucho monene o Nairobi no bagende tukweneke buna korenta bali oroboti asenchira ya bene na bigono nyore asenchira ya bene no yominto Clinton Ondige na Frida Kirbo obotko bwarero yewika Chinsa Ndemo ya Margoba na bigo Chinsa isato cha Margoba na bigo yominto Daniel Suarez ngo cyari chikora Chinsa 10 anyarga gwenekeria aliagende tukwateka kurwa chingongo au imenesko yensi ya Kenya twangwa kiringambu ya mono asugusangana nche kurwa twachagete Chinsa 12 asomoro birio ensoko bwakire na bigo gwikaboniga twasangire aliagende tukwenekiwa. Bye bye yeteranda na Ndemo tumerane ankyo.
Eye Soko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Sembro gomingo magara, minto mas menyetinga semua beta, muganda gorgeria